Hello everyone, welcome to Data Management. In this course we will completely cover the entire Grade 12 Data Management curriculum. Moreover, we help students eliminate gaps in the previous knowledge, build a solid foundation of mathematical skills, and prepare them for university. Our classes are in person and online, in small groups and one-on-one. You can always choose an option that works best for you. In terms of the course structure, the course outline is broken into 6 primary sections: statistics of one variable, statistics of two variables, permutations and organized counting, combinations and the binomial theorem, introduction to probability, and probability distributions. If you are interested in this course, please register by contacting us through phone, email, or coming to our office. And if you are ready to enroll, let's do this.